Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add money on Cash App. So first, you just have to launch your Cash App application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Here, you will see options like add cash, cash out, deposit, transfers, Bitcoin, link account, and then below you will see here, or you can see here some icons. What you want to do is to simply click your cash balance here or the money on your cash app. But before that, you have to link your bank account first. So you have to click this link bank account. And then here, what you want to do is to simply link your bank account. It could be your credit card. So, for example, you want to add your credit card or your debit card, you just have to tap that one. And then after that, you can now go back here. Now click add cash. And then after you tap or click that add cash, you will see here that you need to enter or type the amount that you want to add to your cash app from your bank account. So let's just say you want to add $1 and then click add. And then after that, you will see here the result that we have added a money to your cash app from your bank account. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.